Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Put it there, put it there, put it there. Put it there. Give us something. Come on, brother. Say! Say! Encourage him. What's wrong with you? Off you go. They don't want to encourage you. Is that you?
Yeah.
Where are you running to? Don't run anywhere. Don't run anywhere. No, you can't. Behave yourself. Don't call a dog a monkey for me. Who is the owner of the car? What's wrong with you? Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Put it there. Put it there. Put it there. No, come on. Put it there. Jump inside it this thing. Jump inside it. Excuse me. Well done. Hold on. You are not normal. So you have something like this you don't want to give us. Give us some more. Come on. Oh yeah. Thank you, my brother. That was a serious problem. I'm looking for a madman. There is a madman I'm looking for. He holds the distance that is over the distance. Where is he? Where are we? Where is your? Where is your? This is his car. Where is his car?
This car.
Which one? My brother, let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. Come on, let's go there. What's wrong with you? Hold on. Don't go anywhere. Put it there. How are you? Put it there. Sweetie pie, put it there. Now you have to give us a rev. Come on, brother. Not too bad. Thank you. Off you go. Why? You wait, off you go. Thank you. You want more? What's wrong with you? Hold on a second. Hold on. Thank you. Where are you? Where is he? What's wrong? Behave yourself. Come on, jump inside this thing. Look at the mountain. Hey! Behave yourself. Come on, brother. Woo! Look at yourself. Just want to waste my time. You want to waste my time. Behave yourself. Love my brother. What you say? Were you good?